If you stick with me in this video, I'm going to show you the best websites I've used to host my Vibe coded app. I built a micro SaaS app. I've been able to host it and it is live. I'm going to show you the websites I've used for free and the ones you can also use for free and the paid ones as well, so that you'll be able to host your Vibe coded apps, whether it is a website, a web application, or any tool at all you've built with AI, whether you're building with Lovable, Google Studio AI, whether you're building with Replit, Base 44, it doesn't matter the tool you're building with, you can also host it live free of charge, and you can also pay a little to host it with other tools. So in this video, I'm going to show you about 3 or 4 of them so that you'll be able to start hosting your website live. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, Faith, I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. On this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, digital marketing, AI. If these are things you love, consider subscribing. And don't forget, I help business owners build professional websites with WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify. So if these are things you love, please always check the link in the description of my video for access on how to get some of these things I do on this channel. Number 1 on my list is Vercel. As you can see, this is my Vibe coded app, and then let me show you where it is hosted here on Vercel. This is Vercel. You can see it is hosted live here. Then I connected my custom domain, and I made a video on this channel on where to get cheapest domain for your Vibe coded apps. Please make sure you watch that video, and I will also link it in the description of this video. I was able to buy this domain for as low as $5, so you can get yours as soon as possible and connect to Vercel. One thing I love about Vercel is that Vercel is free to start with. If you are starting out, it has a free plan. As you can see, you can start for free and host your app. My app, which is hosted here, it is free. It has been running here since 19th of March and it is completely free. So you can use it as one of the best hosting providers for your Vibe coded app. Number 2 on my list is Hostinger. Come to your browser and type www.faithomolu.com/Hostinger and you visit Hostinger. I'll also drop this link in the description of my video. If you click on it, you are getting extra 20% for using my link. If you don't use my link, you may not be able to get this, and if you use my link, I also leave a coupon code you can enter during checkout for you to be able to get this massive discount. As you can see, let me quickly show you where it gets interesting. Hostinger is a web hosting platform where you can host your web application. Whatever SaaS tool you're building, you can host it here. If you look at here, go to services, hover around services, just scroll down, you can see Node.js web application hosting. This is a popular one that you can actually use now. And if you know that Hostinger has a web application builder called Horizon, that particular tool will help you build a complete full stack app by just instructing AI. You don't have to write any single line of code, just instruct AI and it will build the app for you. And as soon as it builds the app for you, you can click or use a one-click solution like this to deploy your app on Hostinger. And Hostinger has a native database you can use. So unlike Lovable that you have to build and deploy on Vercel, here in Hostinger, you can build here, deploy here, buy custom domain here, everything in one place. If you are that person who loves to build in one place and have everything in one place, Hostinger is the best you can get. So as soon as you click on this Node.js, it's going to bring you here. What we're going to do, you're going to host from $3.99 per month, no usage fees. What you will do, you see, you are getting a free domain for 1 year, a free business email for 1 year, a free managed SSL for 1 year, and you also have 30-day money back guarantee. Wow, something that you might like to go for, right? Just click on view plans. Let's see what it gives us. For each of these, you can see what you stand to gain. If you are hosting, you're getting all of this free. You are getting an integrated development environment based deployment. You can do all of that here. Can you see? This is absolutely amazing for anybody, and you're getting, look at it, you're getting 5 managed Node.js web applications, 5 apps, 2 CPU cores, 3 gig RAM, 50 gig of word fasted. Oh god, this is amazing. So you're getting 5 mailboxes per website. Each of your application will have mailboxes that you can use. One of my websites is also hosted on Hostinger, so it's something that you might want to go for right away. also check the link in the description of my video. So know that Hostinger is paid. Number 3 on my list is Cloudflare. So Cloudflare is one of the best hosting providers you can use for your web application. If you want to go for it, I'll also leave the link in the description of my video, or you just come to your browser and type Cloudflare. It also gives you security access free of charge. It gives you free CDN. So just click on get it for free. That is that for Cloudflare. I will not waste my time here, so I'll go over to the next one, which is Netlify. Netlify is the fourth hosting you can use to deploy your vibe coded app. As a vibe coder, you can actually do that. Let's see the pricing here. You can see that you can deploy from AI, from GitHub repository. You can actually deploy from your APIs wherever you are deploying from, and it's absolutely free. You can start for free, and this is how much it costs to start per month. For a beginner, you can start for free. All you have to do is just to come here and then sign up, then deploy your app, and then you'll be able to actually link your custom domain too if you are working on this. So if you want me to do a detailed video on how I've been able to host with any of these tools, please just leave a comment in the down below there. Tell me, Faith, teach me how to deploy my vibe coded app on Vercel, and I will show you exactly how I did this and how I connected my custom domain. I will do that video right away based on your request. That is that. So the last one I will talk about is Render. Render is the fifth host you can use to deploy your vibe coded app. So it is the fastest way to production. Let's see the pricing or what it offers you. Is it free? Yeah, to deploy your full stack app in minutes costs you $0 per month. It is something you want to start right away. So you can also connect your custom domain here, fully managed data stores. You can get global CDN and regional hosting, get security out of the box, email support. So this is amazing. These are 5 hosting providers for vibe coders they can use to deploy their apps live on the internet. If you can remember, Vercel is free, Cloudflare is free to start, Netlify is free to start, but Hostinger is paid. So these are best hosting providers to deploy your vibe coded apps. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want me to do a detailed video walking you through step by step how to use each of these platforms, I will do that right away. See you in my next video.